We have to scale up now in the numbers of operation. It has to create industries, it has to create jobs, it has to create revenue, and it becomes self-sustainable. This is the message that he is giving to us. So we looked at how we can expand it in the coming days, and for that he has announced very important message in the last year, NET 2020, that space sector reforms. I think all of you may be aware. And this is the possibility for the young people who are assembled here and across the country. This space sector reforms are going to give you a very important message. What exactly is it? Today, the share of Indian space activity is globally is only 2%. Out of $447 billion US, that is the size of the economy of space sector all around the globe. Ours is just 2%. We want to grow to something like 10%, maybe much later, 50%. Why not? And if you have to grow this much, what we have to do? This is a very important action that I would like to talk to you, and also to inspire young people to take up space as a very major important activity. And I will tell you the stories about some of the startups and new people who are coming to the space sector. There are rockets, satellites, etc. And if some entrepreneurs come out of this young people here, it will be a really great thing to happen. I will have to come to Bhopal and inaugurate one of the startup companies for space, maybe in the coming days. If it happens from here, we will all be very happy. In the space sector, there are a lot of opportunities I think young people should understand. It's not only building rockets, it's not building satellites, but also into the application side. Making use of the satellite data, making use of the communication infrastructure, you can do a lot of business activities. And this is something that I would like to expose some of you. For example, the government is looking at this idea, zero government, maximum governance. And this is possible by the digital revolution. Today, satellite is giving you so much of data, and data is actually the new petroleum. I think you would have heard about this story. Those who can have enough data, if you can process the data and then bring some sense out of the data, you have the wealth. I think this is something very important, and we can do this through space, especially during the geospatial data. Itself is a huge asset. We can look at the surveillance activities, we can look at the intelligence, the communication network, the processing capability, artificial intelligence, etc. used into this data processing. A lot of value addition will take place. I think this is where the business is. Maybe some of you are interested in, we can talk later in detail where the real potentials are there. And India is one of the best countries where software professionals are doing very well. I think this you are aware. And combined with the space industry coming up, I think we will